Miss Kitty, hello. Mahalo po. Ano yung greatest advice or best advice ni former President Duterte sa'yo?
Like he always says, there is a time for everything. So I think he means to tell me to take everything at my own pace, and as long as I'm doing good, as long as I'm doing no harm.
And he laughed, Kit, diba?
Yeah.
Na kailangan niya umuwi kasi kailangan niya takutin yung boyfriend.
So another reason for him to come home to us.
Yeah.
Need to ano ang tawag niya?
Pinipigilan.
Kilatisin, ma'am, kilatisin.
As a daughter, no? Yung advices sa'yo na pwede rin matutunan ng mga batang kasing edad mo o mga Pilipinong kabataan na pwede mong i-share sa iyong mga kababayan.
What advice from him?
Yes.
Ayun, there is a time for everything. So, growing up, I was always in a hurry. I felt like I was running out of time. My mind was all over the place. I was anxious about so many things. But now that I'm turning 21 in a few days, so I learned to take time to breathe, to slow down, and to just trust in God's time and to take everything at my own pace.
Sure.
Are you gonna celebrate your birthday here, Kitty?
Yes.
Advance happy birthday and thank you.
Thank you.
Kitty, have you been to the tulips field?
I'm not sure, ma'am, because I'm still not familiar with the places here.
Yeah.
But we did see tulips on the way there.
So if you want, I can recommend the Tulip Barn.
Yes, ma'am.
The Tulip Barn. So
Thank you.
maganda yun.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, VP. Thank you.
Love you, BP.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, support na gyud ni
Sa gitna ng unos, ikaw ang sandigan, tinig ng bayan, sa puso'y tanglaw. Tibay ng loob, dala mo sa laban, sa bawat hakbang, tagumpay ang ilaw.